Well, new developments tonight in the Karen Reed murder case. The defense's motion to drop charges against Reed has been denied. Judge Beverly Cannone has turned down the request to throw out 2 charges against the high-profile defendant. Hello, everyone. Thanks for being with us. I'm Priscilla Casper. Glenn is off tonight. So what does this mean as we await for a retrial in Karen Reed's case? Our NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live outside Norfolk Superior Court to explain. John, good evening.
Good evening, Priscilla. This is the judge's ruling. It's not a big surprise to legal experts. As a result, this case is still on track for a retrial.
I'm declaring a mistrial in this case.
That was Judge Beverly Cannone in July. Her latest ruling, rejection of a defense request to dismiss 2 charges against Karen Reed, accused of killing her boyfriend, John O'Keefe.
Not a surprise at all.
In her ruling, Judge Cannone discarded arguments that charges of second-degree murder and leaving the scene of personal injury and death should be dismissed because 5 jurors came forward, saying Reed was found not guilty of those charges and retrying her would result in double jeopardy. The judge wrote, because there was no open and public verdict affirmed in open court and rendered in this case, the defendant was not acquitted of any of the charges. The only unanimous act of the jury here was their representation to the court that they were at an impasse.
We want these things to happen in public so that the public can see it and have some confidence in the decision.
A mistrial was declared after the jury said it couldn't reach an agreement on all the charges, including manslaughter. The office of DA Michael Morrissey said this: "We believe that the judge's decision is consistent with almost 200 years of case law. We are moving forward to trying this case January 27th. NBC 10 Boston legal analyst Michael Coyne.
I think the government now has an opportunity to get a do-over and streamline their case if they're smart.
As for Karen Reed, her attorneys are planning an appeal, with one of them writing, "We respectfully but strongly disagree with the cornerstones of today's rulings and fully intend a vigorous appeal to assert and uphold Miss Reed's rights."
Now, the defense did ask the judge to interview these jurors on her own to try to determine what happened. She said in her ruling it's not something that she can do. Well, I've been John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.